Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install the Bendigo Bank app on your Android phone step by step. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store. This is where you will find all apps for your Android device. Now tap on the search icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. And in the search bar at the top, type Bendigo Bank and hit search. Now look for the app with the official logo developed by Bendigo Adelaide Bank Limited. Once you have found the correct app, tap install. It will download and install on your phone. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. When the download is done, tap open. The Bendigo Bank app will launch and you're ready to log in or register. If you're logging in for the first time, enter your customer ID and password. You can also set up a 4-digit PIN or enable fingerprint login for quick access. And that's it. Your Bendigo Bank app is now ready to use. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick finance tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.